Hi, this is James Yu, and this is my Project 5 WeatherStation demo. With this assignment, we were given the option to either use an external sensor or use the Open Weather Map API. I chose to do the latter, and so I followed this guide, which is in one of the references, and it was very useful. I'm reusing most of the code, which I have here. So we're including a lot of those libraries down here. Going to our loop function, we see that the first if statement checks how much time has elapsed. If it's greater than interval we set here, then we call the set ready for weather update function and reset the time. We can scroll down to see what that set ready for weather update function does, and we see that it prints a line to the console and sets a global flag to true. We see that if we go back to the loop function, that flag is used in the next if statement to update the data if it's true. So what does update data do? This is the function that helps that uses helper functions to draw the data onto our LED screen. So here we have our setup. This is our ESP8266 that is Wi-Fi enabled. So showing the connections, we have 3 volts and ground connected to the VCC and ground pins of the LED screen respectively, and we have D3 and D4 connected to SDA and SCL pins on the LED respectively. So let's go ahead and connect the power supply. So here we have the ESP8266 Wi-Fi enabled chip connected to our PC. So our PC is powering the chip as well as the LED screen. So we can see that there's the time, date, the weather for today, and it will show the forecast for the next 3 days. So to verify this information, we can also check the Open Weather site. So here on my computer, I'm at the Open Weather Map.org site. So this is the location for Cleveland. If we look here, we see it's 53 degrees, and then the forecast is 43, 46, 51. Let's actually reload this to make sure everything's up to date. Yeah, and it looks the same. So let's go ahead and check back with our LED screen. So we see it's 53, clear sky, and we see the weather 44 now, 46 and 51.